Good afternoon, everyone. As you know by this schedule, tomorrow is a digital class, and then Thursday we meet face-to-face here at school again. So I just wanted to go over what you should be working on this week and what you should bring to class on Thursday. I'm in week 7 now, you can see on the recording here. And so I know that some of you have already done the quest so far, looking at what you've learned new in this class, and that's great. Now, the assignment we're working toward this week is a family or parent resource around legislation around special education. New into the folder, I have put this research resources. So if you open up that folder, I'll try and do that right now. Here we go. There are 2 websites for you to look at to get information for your parent or family guardian resource. So one is the Center for Parent Information and Resources. This has sources in both English and Spanish. And what was fun last semester was that some of the students who were multilingual were able to do the resource in another language, which is great. And then the other one is the Council for Exceptional Children, and that's, let me open this website here. This has tools and resources for families. So you can read through this, click along here, there's a tool of the week, policy insider. So what I want you to do here is pick a tool that you predict or think parents might need to know about special education. And it doesn't matter what tool it is. What matters is that you're familiar with it and then you're translating it so your audience are your future parents. So let's see, let's go back here and we can look at the Parent Center Hub, which is one of the resources I believe you've looked at before. So lots of things about parents, or for parents. So figure out what you want to do your resource on. And then, let's see if I can get back to the assignment page here. So we go to week 7, which is where you're at. Then you're going to choose how you're going to show what you know to the parents. So your choice, this is the rubric. So you're going to describe the current legislation and how it impacts students with disabilities and their families. Once again, it doesn't have to be specifically legislation. It could be something around that you found that's important that you'd like to share with parents. And then I want you to also make sure you evaluate the impact of this legislation or this topic on parents from an ethical perspective. So reflecting on it, how it would affect them, and does it keep people in a more diverse environment? Is the legislation, does it keep them in a more segregated environment? Something around there that you find interesting. Your personal reaction also needs to be in the assignment. Cite all references. So if you, whichever resource you use, website, or if you have something else, just make sure you copy that in there. And then edited by a human, which is of course your human's name that has edited this for you. You can choose to use a Samore, which we've had some experience with. You can use a Screencast-O-Matic, and that's what I'm doing right now. And it's free. You open it up, and then it tracks what's ever on the screen and your recording, and then you can pass that back to me. Book Builder is a cast site, and that's where you build a small book. Kahoot, of course, is the quiz, so you can build a quiz for parents. It also passes on information. And then Wikispaces, that is creating a website for parents. So any one of those are going to be good for you. So before you get to class on Thursday, I want you to have looked at the resources and have an idea of what it is you want to build your site around. On Thursday, we'll have time during class for you to work on this, so you can ask questions of me or other people in the class. I think we're pretty good with that. Have a great day, and I will see you on Thursday.